Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ancient Time Beauty Secrets. Today's video is all about dye vitamin C serum, which is very simple to make and quite effective on using it. This vitamin C serum is just not effective but also the most budget friendly vitamin C serum, as many vitamin C serums available in the market are quite expensive. So the very first ingredient to make this magical budget friendly dye vitamin C serum is Limc tablets. Lim C vitamin C chewable 500 mg tablets. You can see here they are vitamin C chewable tablets 500 mg and name of the brand is Lim C. A sheet costs around 18 rupees and it has 15 tablets. Let's see how to make the serum. First of all, take one single Lim C tablet and powder it. You can easily powder it. So now let's mash it to a fine powder. It hardly takes 1 or 2 minutes of your time to do this. And just mash it to a fine powder and take it to a bowl. So as told earlier, after smashing it to fine powder, take it to a bowl. And this is how it looks like. See here, light orange color. And now add glycerine to it. So once you are done making the powder of vitamin C tablet, next is obviously glycerine, which is highly effective in restoring moisture of your skin. So these are the two products you need. Now let's make the serum. Add a few drops of glycerine to it and mix up these two so well that you get a fine paste. And once you get that smooth fine paste, you can easily apply it on your clean face and neck and wash off after after massaging it well for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And this serum is to be made instantly. You cannot store it as vitamin C easily gets oxidized, so you cannot let it remain in air for long time. So just make it in a couple of minutes and apply it, massage it thoroughly on your clean face and neck, and then wash off after massaging. In fact, all this process should hardly take 15 minutes as it gets easily oxidized and you do not get any benefits if you do so. Hope you guys have understood and thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.